Hello kids, in this video we'll learn about some 2D shapes. So let's start, but first learn about the color name. These are our colors. It is orange color. It is yellow color. It is blue color. It is brown color. It is red color. It is green color. This is black color. Let us draw the shapes. It is hexagon. It is triangle. It is pie. It is heart. Cross. Oval. Let us color the shapes. It is orange color. It is hexagon. Yellow color. This is yellow color. This is triangle. Blue color. Pie or partial circle. Red color. Heart. Green color. Oval. Kids, let us recall the shapes and color name once again. Hexagon, orange color. Triangle, yellow color. Pie or partial circle, blue color. Heart, red color. Cross, brown color. Oval, green color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.